Here is a simple recipe for making ketchup at home. Ingredients: 1 can, 28 ounces, whole peeled tomatoes. 1/2 cup white vinegar. 1/2 cup packed brown sugar. 1/2 teaspoon onion powder. 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves. Instructions: 1. Drain the liquid from the can of tomatoes into a saucepan. 2. Add the white vinegar, brown sugar, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, cinnamon, and cloves to the saucepan with the tomato liquid. 2. Stir to combine. 3. Bring the mixture to a boil over high heat. Then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. 4. While the sauce is simmering, use a blender or immersion blender to puree the tomatoes until smooth. 5. After 20 minutes, add the pureed tomatoes to the saucepan and stir to combine. 6. Let the mixture simmer for another 20 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally, until it has thickened to the desired consistency. 7. Remove the ketchup from the heat and let it cool. 7. Transfer it to a container with a lid and store in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. That's it. Homemade ketchup is a great way to control the ingredients and sweetness levels in your condiments.